Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to Gala video update today. And this is the 4-hour time frame that I'm still discussing and talking about. So we have this little bit of that descending broadening wedge broke to the upside, went up coming in into the target just a little bit left short, but as I said before, right now if I just remove this lines here for that pattern, we have one more thing to go, and that's your resistance there, resistance here. So this is going to be a little bit of a problem. Now if things get worse, then you can actually make a local double top right here and then go down like this and even continue lower. I'm not trying to spread any FUD, but considering how Bitcoin is looking and how Bitcoin is getting stronger at the moment, we might really get lucky. Now I've seen one more thing, and that is if I drag that straight line and something like this. Remember when I told you this is a descending broadening wedge and then you push to the upside like that? How about the following idea, and that is taking this straight line here. I'm actually going to drag this line right there, and I'm going to actually drop another line, and that's going to be from there to there, and we have something like this. How about that? Right, so this is a bigger version of that small mini that we had right over here, like this one, and you broke out. So all we need right now is a move up, right? Because we already have one. And if you do get rejected at this point, keep in mind, if you get rejected, then you might be looking for that lower trend line, and this can be very big extended one in the future. When you go up, you push up like that, but in the future. Now I'm not saying you're going to come down here, but if you're going to fail to break out there, and Bitcoin starts to drop down and the market starts to bleed, because Bitcoin is really overbought right now, so you might actually expect that push down like this, unless they don't reverse it in the middle and then try to move it up. Now there's one more possibility as well, and that is coming down like this and then pump from here, creating this left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder as well. So the possibilities are endless right there. But one thing I'm going to tell you is, if you actually end up breaking up like this and go up, then we're looking for a technical target to go from the top of that line there to the bottom, and you can actually see that 0.786 is something that we might expect as a technical target as well. So that's pretty much it for this update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.